Hello guys, and welcome back to this our web journey. And in this video I just want to talk a brief about comments. So comments in HTML is a way of adding personal notes to your HTML page. And this what I mean by personal note is you are adding notes that will not be displayed onto the browser. So whether you want to add a reminder for you, maybe you have written something here, you don't want to forget it, maybe so that next time when you are going through your code you remember it. So you can add a comment, and these comments that you add in HTML, they don't get displayed in the web browser. And the way you add a comment in HTML, you include it in an angle bracket, exclamation mark, and then two minus sign. Okay, then now when you open the comments, you need to close it with two minus sign, closing out with a closing greater than sign. So anything I put here, this is a comment. So this is not going to be displayed in the web browser. If I go and run it, you see our text has not changed. All of these things that you see here, from here to here, all of them, they still remain the same. But you see, I have now added a comment. Now if I wanted to add a reminder to me, saying that this here is a block quote. Okay, so that next time when I'm coming to see what I did, maybe sometime in the future I may need to edit what I've done here. So I might come here and I don't understand what I did here. So but because of this comment that I added, you see it kind of gives me a base to what I was doing or what I was thinking here. Okay, so whatever I write in this comment here is not displayed in the web browser. This way of writing comment is also useful to a developer, in that you can use it to debug codes. For example, if there is a problem on your HTML page and you want to see where the problem is, you can temporarily disable code by including the code in a comment. For example, if I don't want all of these codes, block code, to show, I can include it in comments. Remember, when you put it, you have to close it. If not, you see it was selecting the whole text from here right to down, it was disabling all of it. So but I want to include just this one here in comments, so I don't want it to get displayed. So you see, now if I save and I come and run it here, you see I will not see that block quote any longer. So it's a good way to help you debug your codes. And again, you see, I want to put in a block code because I might need it later, so I don't want to delete it. If I deleted it, so I will not have anywhere to get the code again. So to disable it not to show on the web browser, you can include it in a comment. So that is for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Consider giving the video a like so as to support the channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Go now and click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that each time we release a video, you are going to see it. You will not miss anything. And also remember, the best way to learn it is to do it. Try all of these things you have been doing from the start up to now. Try them and retry them again. Try them and make sure they stick in your head. So if you have any question, any worry, you can add it down the questions section below. See you guys next video. Bye bye.